Okay, so we're back out with the chicks again. Thought I'd give you a little bit of an update on them. And a little bit of FYI for if you're thinking about raising meat birds. I don't know how well you'll be able to see them in here behind me because the light is very poor. Oh, and I took their water away and they're going to be mad at me. Anyways, they're in there behind me there. You might not be able to see them super well. One thing that I'm finding with this round of meat birds, we've never done it when it's really cold. They're cold, and they don't like it. But they're so incredibly different than our layers, who are here behind me. And I just fed them. They're super happy. They're not cold. Their pen doesn't stink. And we haven't even cleaned these guys, just given them a bit more new bedding down on top. We haven't taken anything out. They don't smell. They're super happy. Yeah, really easy to maintain and take care of. Happy chicks. And then you come over here to Stink Town. These guys, pretty much all they do is eat, drink, and poop, and sleep, and huddle together. They just got cleaned out yesterday, and they're back to smelling bad again today. So, just to let you know, if you're thinking about doing meat birds, just be prepared that if it's cold, see, we can't do a tractor right now out in the lawn because it's just too cold for them out there. So, there's a shadow on my face. I'm not sure where it's coming from, but hey, it's not perfection. It's Suntrust Acres. So, yeah, just a heads up. And next year we won't do them this late in the season. Next year we want to make sure that they're done by the end of October so that we can have them outside, or maybe even the end of September. Anyways, but they're doing well. We've lost about 20 plus because it got really, really cold one night. And though they had all their lights and stuff, there's a lot of them and they just got too cold and a bunch of them died. So we went out and got them more lights. We are still kind of learning. I think they might be having a little tough back there. You'll also notice that your meat birds, they don't have feathers all over them, and they look like maybe their feathers are falling out. That's just the way meat birds grow. They're not pretty. They're ugly. I'm sorry, you guys. They're really quite ugly. And they don't move around very much. So, yeah. They are a month old now. One of them was looking at me like I was weird. Maybe I am. Yeah, just a little. They're a month old now, so they've got a month to go. Yeah, that means that they'll be ready to process at Christmas. I think we're probably going to wait until just after Christmas in January to process them, but we may actually process some of them early this time around because last time they were really big. These guys averaged about 6 pounds a bird. We even had a couple that were 8 pounds, and that was just right at 2 months. So anyways, there's an update for you guys to let you know how everything's going, and it's going well. Hello, little chickens. These will be the layers. A new round of layers. Well, thank you very much for joining me on the farm today, and I hope this video was helpful. Consider subscribing to our channel and give us a thumbs up. That really helps in the algorithm so that we can continue to provide these videos for you. Well, I'll continue to provide these videos for you anyways. Anyways, see you guys later. Bye.